Hello. In this video, we want to do the integral of x squared times the square root of x cubed plus 1 all times dx, or all dx. Now, here's the thing. We can't go ahead and immediately do this one yet because we have an x squared on the outside, we have an x cubed on the inside, we've got a lot of weird stuff happening. But we do have a radical, and that's one of the conditions that we usually see in order to use u substitution. So what I'm going to do is out to the side, I'm going to say let u equal something. And what I'm going to let u equal is whatever's underneath the radical. It's called the radicand. In this case, that would be x cubed plus 1. And then I'm actually going to take the derivative of both sides of that. So the derivative of u would be du equals, and the derivative of x cubed plus 1, well, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of 1 is 0, so it goes away. And then I put the dx there. It is actually important to make sure you have that dx there. Now, notice what's happening here. This x squared is this x squared, but notice the 3 is not there. And the dx there is this dx here. There isn't a 3 here, so there's a couple of things I can do. Is I can get rid of the 3 over here, bring it over here, or I can put a 3 in here by multiplying by a third out here. It really doesn't matter which one you use. What I prefer to do is make this over here look exactly like what's over here. That means I need to divide by 3 or multiply by a third on both sides. So that means that this is going to be 1/3 du is equal to x squared dx. Good. Now notice that the entire stuff over here, x squared and dx, is exactly what we have over here. So now we just have 1/3 du over here. Awesome. So what are we going to have? Well, we still have the integral of, well, we have the square root, and the square root is the square root of x cubed plus 1 is just u, and the x squared dx is right here of 1/3 du. So technically multiply by 1/3 du. I don't really like having this 1/3 here, so I like to write it right here. And so this is going to be the integral of 1/3 square root of u du. And this we can actually do by going ahead and rewriting this as u to the half power. So it gives me the integral of 1/3 u to the half power du. And now just, take the integral. Use the power rule. Rewrite the 1/3. U to the 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. And multiply out front by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3. Good. Don't forget the plus c at the end. Now, 2/3 times 1/3 is 2/9. And then u, which is x cubed plus 1, all to the 3/2 plus c. And there you go. This is the integral of x squared times square root of x cubed plus 1 dx. Now you can actually always check this by going ahead and doing the derivative. So bring the 3/2 down in front, and then take and subtract 1 from the exponent, and then multiply all this by the derivative of the inside, and you will wind up with the original. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.